Hello and welcome to the first training module on Service Box Multibrand. The first module, Introduction to the Catalog, has several objectives. Let's have a brief recap on the Stellantis Group's strategy to provide customers with a wider range of parts and a 360 degrees product offer. I'll explain how to access the Service Box Multibrand catalog. I'll then show you the 3 subscription levels for the catalog. And last of all, I'll show you how to access the online help tool. The Distrigo multi-brand strategy is to market the entire 360 degrees product offer, in other words a variety of product ranges. Original parts from the Stellantis Group manufacturing brands. The Eurorepa distributor range. Circular economy product ranges. Our selection of suppliers ranges. This product offer meets the needs of all of our networks. Authorized repairers from the various brands of the Stellantis Group. The Eurorepa car service network. All independent repairers. The Service Box Multibrand catalog is more user-friendly and is more comprehensive, precise and efficient. We constantly update our multi-brand catalog to ensure that we are keeping up with our main competitors. The Service Box Multibrand catalog is a tool that can be accessed directly from the Service Box portal. The Service Box Multibrand catalog has 3 subscription levels. Find, Quote, Fix. The Find level is a free subscription. It gives you access to all of the parts search functionalities. There are 2 ways that you can perform a search. By vehicle or part number. If you want to search by vehicle, you can enter the registration number, VIN or even the vehicle model. You can also search for a part by entering its part number. You also have access to cross-references, which are performed on the original parts and all suppliers' ranges listed. The Quote level is a paid subscription. It includes the Find level, along with the Servicing Schedule functionality once you have selected the right vehicle. You can create the entire servicing schedule in 5 main steps using our tech doc data. From the home page, you can apply the filter so that Eurorepa parts are automatically suggested during step 5. You will also have direct links once you have selected the vehicle. The Fix level is the most comprehensive paid subscription. It includes the Find and Quote levels, in addition to repair methods for all vehicle brands. Repairers can search for repair methods using a search engine, by technical module, or directly in the product catalog. Each part in the catalog shows the recommended retail price, the Distrigo hub list price and its availability. The Service Box Multibrand catalog also provides you with an inbuilt quoting system. The quote is prepared at the time of the order. It combines the parts and local labor time. It allows discounts to be applied on the parts or labor or on the entire quote. It can be printed or emailed to the customer, or simply saved. The quote will be saved for 6 months. You can retrieve the quote using the customer's name, VIN or quote number. The Lemon Learning tool, which is accessed at the bottom right, guides you on how to use the catalog. You can use the yellow Lemon Learning logo to find guides, documentation and our latest updates. In summary, here's what you need to remember. As with all multi-brand catalogs, Service Box Multibrand contains a range of part numbers that are compatible with the original parts. You can easily access the catalog through each of the repairer portals. The Service Box Multibrand catalog has 3 subscription levels. With the Find level, you can search for and order parts. The Quote level gives you a servicing schedule and direct links. The Fix level contains repair methods. The Service Box Multibrand catalog contains replacement parts listed in your Distrigo hub. Original parts from the Stellantis Group brands. Eurorepa parts. Parts from suppliers' ranges selected by your hub. Use Lemon Learning at the bottom right to find out how to navigate the catalog. It will give you access to guides and documentation. We have come to the end of this module. Have a good day.